These hands that wrote laws today, once they were denied to get the most basic rights. They were denied to get a seat in the class. They were denied to get dignity. They were denied to get everything which was limited, even though the equality in his own land.
I am Asha Bose. I was born on 8 September 1933 in Sagli, Maharashtra, in a musical family. But yeah, I did not get any children. I made it by myself. I got rejections. People doubted on me. And still, I never gave up.
Hi everybody. Myself, Billy Arjun Singh. I am the one who took birth in a royal family. Which had lot of facilities. But I wanted to follow my passion. The passion where I wanted to help the animals.
Namaste everyone. I am Anandi Pai Gopal Rao Joshi. I am a woman who fought for the education of women as I was born in Maharashtra at 1865. I was born at a time when girls were not even allowed to study. They were just limited to household chores. And there was no place for women in professional fields and education was only for men. But a tragic moment or incident happened with me. After that, my life changed.
Welcome to the next level. And today we are having पर्सनालिटी रिसेंबलिंग सेशन. एक ऐसा सेशन जिसमें आप सब अपने आप को नहीं, किसी इंसान की क्वालिटीज, ट्रेड्स और उसकी पर्सनालिटी को प्रेजेंट करेंगे और लोगों को समझाएंगे और ये लर्निंग देंगे कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है किसी इंसान की जर्नी को बहुत करीब से फील करना. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दैट? So first I would like to call here one of the star speakers from Visionaries and his name is Amaral.
These hands that wrote laws today, once they were denied to get the most basic rights. They were denied to get a seat in the class. They were denied to get dignity. They were denied to get everything which was limited, even though the equality in his own land. Somewhere these hands, the reason they were not getting anything is not that they were not capable. The thing was that the society was not having that compassion. But I converted that pain into my main strength. I converted that silence into my main hero. And I converted all those rejections into my power. I resolved them. And that is where I grew. Somewhere I was negotiated by the society. I was born in the caste where nobody believed I could grow. Nobody believed I have an environment to grow. But I proved everybody, caste is nothing. Growing is something. So when you grow, you do not see your caste. What is to be seen is yourself. What is to be seen is the caliber. So focus is at the caliber, not at yourself. Even when I was small, I focused on many new things. That people, when they negotiated me, they got a bad feeling. But they never saw that. So now it's on you. Now I became that boy who wrote the laws. Not for the powerful, but to regulate the power of that powerful. And now I give the responsibility to you. The responsibility on you that if you see discrimination, what will you do? If you see injustice, will you rise or just remain silent? Because at that time, silence doesn't mean peace. Silence means you are ignoring everything. Silence means you are negotiating everything. And in order to do that, the society doesn't fall due to the powerful people. It falls when the weak people, when the whole society starts social laughing, starts groupthink. I am Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, who gave his whole life to bring unity. And now, as a unite one, I say you, make India unite and be yourself unite to get resources. Thank you.
Wow. Great words, great voice. And along with that, the power and the passion in that personality. आपको पता है रिसेंबल करने के लिए भी ना एक बेस्ट चीज चाहिए होती है कि उस इंसान से मैंने क्या सीखा. I could see as he's not alive, but his ethics, his principles are still alive and that could be seen. भीम अम्बेडकर जी हमारे साथ नहीं है, but उनके ethics, principles and learnings आवाज में, जोश में और उनके प्रिंसिपल्स में दिखती है आज भी. And that could be easily sensed. I got goosebumps in between when he was speaking. इसका मतलब the power comes from feeling and sensing it deeply. That was so great.
Namaste. I want to ask you all, हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, तुम तो मचल गए ओ, यूं ही फिसल गए हाँ. Have you guys listened this song? Yes. Hello everyone. I am Asha Bhosle. I was born on 8 September 1933 in Sagli, Maharashtra, in a musical family. But yeah, I did not get any jury. I made it by myself. I got rejections. People doubted on me. And still, I never gave up. I sat at the corner. I cried. But never gave up was a quotation for my whole life. It was not just a thing, just we read in a day, but it was my whole life. I and my sister, Lata Mangeshkar, we both are singers. And because of I never gave up after my voice, so I am called as the voice of the singers. But yeah, this bracelet, I call it lucky because at the time when I got rejections, people doubt on me. This was okay. And that's why in every function, wherever I have to sing, I wear this. I was at very low. After my father's death, I had to do a lot of things. Struggle was the main thing in my life. But still, I just pushed it and came here. And today, called as the voice of the singers. Thanks.
Wow. So accurate, so stable, and what was required, she spoke. And that was called a compact, perfect presentation. I am genuinely happy and impressed by your performance. That was so amazing. Yeah. Means people feel bit weird ना कि गाना गाएंगे तो अजीब जाएगा. But whereas she was like enjoying the song. Nice.
Namaste everyone. I am Anandi Pai Gopal Rao Joshi. I am a woman who fought for the education of women as I was born in Maharashtra at 1865. I was born at a time when girls were not even allowed to study. They were just limited to household chores. And there was no place for women in professional fields and education was only for men. But a tragic moment or incident happened with me. After that, my life changed. I lost my young child due to not having proper medical care. As from that day, I didn't weaken myself, I gave strength to myself and said that I'll study medicine and I'll become the first Indian female doctor. As after that, my husband, Gopal Rao Joshi, he was very supportive and I got married when I was 9. And this incident happened with me when my age was only 40. At the time, I was not that much matured and society criticized me that you can't do. But I didn't give up. And after that, I went United States, abroad for studies. I took admission in the College of America. And I studied there and I was the first Indian female to get the medical degree. After that, I would just to say that determination and courage has no barriers. And today I want to say to everyone, and especially the young girls who are sitting right here, that believe in yourself, value education, and never let anyone to stop you from achieving your dreams. And at the last, I want to say that beti bachao, beti padhao, beti bachao, beti padhao. Thank you so much.
Well, she just said to me that there was a confusion, right? But if I ask you as an audience, did you recognize that confusion on her face? When she said right now, then I got to know कि इसमें भी confusion हुई है. It means what? Your expressions, your words turned everything. आपकी आवाज, आपके expressions सब कुछ turn कर देती है. ये यहाँ पता है ना कि क्या बोलना था. वहाँ तो नहीं पता ना क्या बोलना था. So it means whatever is going now is going best with right expressions and right words. As simple as that. And जब भी आप स्लोगन बोलते हो ना, हर परफॉर्मेंस, हर इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज वेंट गुड. एट द एंड जब भी आप स्लोगन, डायलॉग्स, सॉन्ग्स को मिड में या फिर एंडिंग में ऐड कर रहे हो, सो उसके लिए पॉजेज लो. आई वॉन्ट माई ऑडियंस टू से विद मी Beti bachao, beti padhao. Please, guys, if you say like this, your people come just together. Okay? Clap for her. Nerd.
Diamond, silver, gold, platinum, titan. This is not the real luxury. The real luxury is the nature. The nature you are living in. The nature which started supporting you from the time you took birth in this world. The nature which formed this planet called Earth. Hi everybody. Myself, Billy Arjun Singh. I am the one who took birth in a royal family which had lot of facilities. But I wanted to follow my passion. The passion where I wanted to help the animals. Help the animals which were endangered, which were not having any support, which were into danger. I was the one who knew that these animals need support. And yes, I followed my passion. I helped animals. I worked in Gidwan National Park. In Gidwan National Park, where I saved Bengal national tigers, where I saved many of the leopards. I knew that their beauty is their real power, and the beauty is their nature. Nature created the best thing is the animals, is the thing which is one of the most important thing, which is one of the biggest part, one of the most important thing of our food chain, of our real life. If they would not be there, I guess we would not be even there. And that is why, whatever the animal you see in struggling, in problems, I mean, you should be the one who supports them, should be the one who makes or who becomes the new life for them. Thank you so much.
Sometimes simple words says everything. And his simple words actually said everything. Clap for Himanshu. He speaks with maturity, यार. I told you ना, जब Himanshu comes, it feels like कोई बहुत बड़ा इंसान आ रहा है जो घर का एकदम बहुत immature person नहीं होता. That, हाँ, बूढ़ा नहीं का. He is like, yeah. But I liked it. Clap.
You might wondering who am I? You might laugh on my passion. But I am the one who has been suffered a lot by society. Well, I'm the John Bowman. I was born on 31st May 1948. I was really forced that you cannot do it. This is very, very bad for you. I was forced, but I have one thing in my mind. That why to listen to society? Just listen your mindset. Just listen yourself what you want to do. Just listen yourself what you want to do. There are lots of people who wants to become doctor, engineer, but a thought comes in their mind. Giving up. And the thought which came in their mind by society giving up. Society says many things. तू इंजीनियर बनेगा अबे देर से ना होगा चल चला वांदे. These kind of words are usually listened by people, and this is what making our mindset demolished. You don't need lot of notes to be powerful. You need to hit the right ones with the right intention. You don't need multiple arrows to hit the perfect target. You need perfect aim to hit the perfect target. Thank you.
Wow. I don't think that I should say something because my God, stage se bhi garam garam ho raha hai. It means that heated up energy is saying more than something. Yeah. Means his friends, inki clappings, inki smiles, energy, is the real example and the real meaning how you performed. You know, you don't need any kind of comment on your performance. I must say it was wow. Amazing. I said your power bank is power bank. Okay, so let's call one of the sweetest one of the greatest one from Visionaries. Her name is Anshika. Ready, Anshika ji? Please come up here.
Namaste. I am Sarush Naidu. I was born on 13th February 1878. I am an environmentalist, a singer, and a socialist too. Do you know I used to sing songs in English? You might have a doubt. Yes, I was not only an English song singer, I not also an Indian singer, but I was an international singer who had sings many songs in abroad as well as. You know, I was a very big devoter of Krishna Ji and Radhaji. I wrote many lines dedicated to them even. One of them lines are, but my heart is full of your love. They love as I cry, Govinda, 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 Govinda. Do you know, not only this, Mirabai, who is also a great female, I also wrote many lines dedicated to her as well as. And do you know, my all songs were in English as well as. Thank you.
No. Okay. As Anshika performed so good, in between she used one of the trades of public speaking. Whenever you want your words to be listened, right? जब आपके words को importance मिले, so आप बीच में कुछ angles जोड़ सकते हो song के, right? Dialogue delivery के. जैसे कि she sang 2 lines of that song. अगर उसको और feel करके गाया गया होता, so that would surely create a wow impression on audience. Because लोगों को लगता नहीं है कि कोई अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकल के ये भी बोलेगा. But if you do it, you will be seen differently. आप अलग से दिखोगे. The way when she did this gesture, people were having smile on their faces. Okay, wow, yeah. This was unexpected. Understood? So that was great. Nice.
I am not someone who goes down easily because I believe I'm standing tall even when the world is trying to push me down. Like Chandrasekhar Azad, the courage is in my veins, the freedom is in my thoughts. Less like the people say that stay quiet, stay safe, but I say stand up, speak up and rise up and fight for your life. There are many of the problems I have faced in my life, like some of the issues in the train I have done due for my freedom of my country. Other problems and my personality. My personality is made up of the victories, challenges and the struggle. Now at the end, I want to say that deep inside me there is a fire which refuses to be extinguished, and that fire makes me unstoppable. Jai Hind.
Nice. Whenever you feel that you are on stage, so जो personality आप present कर रहे हो, आप उनकी body language की तरफ भी जा सकते हो. जैसे कोई soldier है, so you should always start with salute, right? अगर कोई great personality है in the field of education, so आपको हमेशा पीछे हाथ करके शुरू करना चाहिए. And then go like this. So it shows an authoritative body language of yours. Okay? अगर कोई female है जिनने सच में किसी फील्ड में बहुत कुछ ग्रेट करा है, सो आपको बहुत शांति और सरलता से यू शुड गो विद दिस बॉडी लैंग्वेज, राइट? स्टेबल बॉडी लैंग्वेज आपके वर्ड्स को इंपॉर्टेंस देती है. ही हैड दिस इशू, सो आई आस्क्ड हिम टू गो लाइक दिस, बिकॉज चंद्रशेखर आजाद जो थे वो हमेशा बहुत उसूलों में बिलीव करते थे. सो उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज अगर ऐसे भी होगी, विल बी सीन ऑलवेज अथॉरिटेटिव. अंडरस्टूड?